But the good thing was I had all this stuff. And she was
We're here.
no, they just kind of, when you got her back with you, when you got her back with you, she was fine with you. I would have just been and go out. You know what I mean? I would have done something with her. Okay, let me try one more thing.
Hey, all right. Woo, Whitty. Good girl.
Go.
Good girl.
Oh, whistle, baby girl.
You got your
Oh, I
title.
got some cookies for you. Yes, sir. Oh. Yes, sir.
Good girl.
Awesome for you. That's a title. That's a clean title. Dang it.
That's what you did. You said run clean.